Oh man. Hey, Aster, I was doing a Vox voice before, using my Go XLR. You ready?
Hang on. Oh. Kindred. Yes, Kindred. That's my girl. What's something that Vox would say? He'd be like... Wait, that actually sounds good. So, I was having a cup of tea this morning, and it occurred to me that I haven't been doing enough ASMR streams. So I think I'm going to do another ASMR stream tonight for all of you, Kindred. So the lore behind Five Nights at Freddy's is very intricate and very, very interesting. I would say that Five Nights at Freddy's is probably the most interesting game lore-wise that we've gotten ever. Ever.
Zotto. Do you think it's too low with the Goxler?